No. Oh,
You're really, very, very attractive. Do you know that?
Come on,
You make me laugh.
look beautiful.
Oh, lovely.
You do. You're very attractive women. I don't know if you were ever told that by anyone.
Sort of.
I'm mellow.
You're kind of gorgeous, actually. Yeah. You really don't.
You look like a beautiful, free-spirited hippie chick, but from the future who's gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I've said too much.
Sweet.
Here's what I'm thinking. She's pretty. Do you all get together and solve mysteries?
We solved the mystery of Secret Santa. On
Secret
Christmas.
Santa?
Yeah,
Or
there's a tradition at my house.
I don't know why I did that. I'm really sorry.
Relationship, it's a
We had gotten away from all that, and then I brought it back. I know I disappointed you. I can see it in your eyes.
No.
But look at
You couldn't
Secret Santa.
possibly.
Do you do Secret Santa?
Yes, it's a tradition at my place every year. This year was the 5th year that we did it. We do a Secret Santa, and it's always rigged.
Yes.
Because
I don't know how Secret Santa works.
Oh, okay. Well, basically, you pick a name out of a hat,
Right.
and that's the person you buy a present for, and they don't know.
No,
who's buying a present
whose
for them.
hat is it?
You're very irrelevant today.
I'm irrelevant every day of the damn week. You clearly haven't read my reviews.
So you don't know who gets you a present, and so you get the present, and you have to guess who gave it to you, and it's all those people in a circle, and it's really fun.
Now, is your place in London, or is your place...
No, in Portugal.
In Portugal?
Yes,
you did it.
yes,
So your
because
London friends come to Portugal?
Well, because everybody...
And who brings the hat?
This is pre-planned. Oh, my God. No. Oh,
You're
you lost me last time.
very attractive. Do you know that? It's true, you really are.
So,
I had shingles once,
I heard...
but it didn't go all the way around. This is my new thing to get women to like me. I had shingles once.
To appeal
Excited?
to that, like, I want to take care of you kind of thing.
You know, I am repelled by your hideous shingly body. Yeah. What are you doing for Christmas, Robin?
Getting more crow's feet from being on the show, apparently.
Oh, come on.
You make me laugh.
look beautiful.
Oh, lovely.
You do. You're very attractive women. I don't know if you were ever told that by anyone.
You're very kind.
It's true.
What do you do for Christmas?
Wow, I don't know where to go from there.
Nah, it's all right.
You
do anything, it's
I've
fine.
never had shingles.
And touch wood, you never will have.
Yeah, I've never had an STD. It's great.
It's not an STD. It's not an STD. Don't start saying it's not an STD. Hey, I never went out with a Frenchman who spent time in Wales. All right, anyway, we're out of time. Do you want to do the big cash prize, mouth organ, awkward pause?
I want to do cash prize.
Cash prize?
Bring it on.
What time is it, Shadows, David?
It's time for the big cash prize.
All right, there are many ways to win the big cash prize. All right, here you are, 50 American dollars at singles, acceptable at any, well, you can do that Secret Santa thing with it. Don't touch it until you've earned it. Like you never said that in your life. All right, so.
But do you have sponsors like Serenity Adult Diapers?
You do?
And boner pills. A lot of them. Yeah, a lot of
I'm
boner.
always so
Although I don't think we need them tonight, Katie, and I ain't
What is wrong with you?
I don't know, I'm excited. I don't know what it is. All right, you can answer the question, you can do true or not true, or you can guess what's in my box.
An STD, apparently.
No, it's not an STD. I do not have an STD. You're lucky you're very attractive, I tell you that. And so am I.
What
So, well, if it's an STD, you got it now too. Ooh la la, ooh la la. How dare you?
Oh la la.
Right. So, how do you want to do the thing or the box or the what? Well, come on.
The question.
All right, just the question. All right. Iceland is in the North Atlantic. Its capital city is Reykjavik. Give or take 25 miles an hour, give or take, when playing badminton, how fast does a well-hit shuttlecock fly over the net? Shuttlecock. Fly over the net.
Is this in miles or miles per hour or kilometers per hour?
Which would you prefer? I can do the math in my head.
We'll do miles per hour.
Miles per hour, certainly.
So how hard is a
How hard?
shuttlecock? Your wife must have so much fun.
Yeah, she's going to have a lot tonight, I tell you.
What's my margin of error?
25 miles.
Oh, 25 miles,
Yeah.
okay. 180.
Yes! Dead right! 180 miles.
Well, you know what? I love the Southern people because they're kind, they have manners, they call me Miss Lori, men open doors. It's like a
Men
whole
will open doors for you in the North too, my dear. Yeah. You cross the Mason-Dixon line, doors will still be flying open for you for a long time. You'll be all right. All the way to Canada, I think. Oh, come on in, eh? They'd be fine. Even Scotland. You ever been there?
Yes, I have.
Really? I mean,
yes,
there's only one other actor that could have done that. Morgan Freeman.
Did you guys make out yet?
No, I think we're going to make out later. I saw some chemistry in her eyes. Or it might have been disgust in Morgan Freeman's eyes. It may have been that.
It was kind of making me jealous.
Why?
Well, you just kept talking about the lip gloss and wanting to make out with him. You never mentioned me once.
Yeah, because it's ridiculous if I... Oh, yes. Well, see,
Yeah, you drink out of that
Yeah,
cup.
that's right. Daddy needs a little moisture.
I can't believe you still have that cup.
Well, I had it last time you were here, right?
Yeah, it's a long time.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
weird.
so I've used the same cup for a long time. Oh, well, look at me. Oh, look at Grandpa. He doesn't get new cups. Like, all the kids are using different cups now.
I don't think Morgan Freeman will have a snake cup at his house.
Oh, really? Maybe he already has one. Maybe he got given one as a gift by one of his friends.
I want you to give me a snake cup.
I'll give you a snake cup,
Will
young
you?
lady, yeah.
Oh, dirty man. Dirty Craig. Dirty
I
Craig.
am not dirty. I said I'd give you a snake cup, and you will receive one, and you will enjoy it.
Bet I will.
You would.
Bet I would.
You would.
I feel like an idiot just laughing here.
Why?
I can't help it.
You're
You
very
guys are
tough
laughing,
on
I'm
yourself.
laughing.
I'm
I know,
worried
it's
about
true.
you. I worry about that. Really, I do. You're a beautiful young woman. Your career's fantastic. You're doing well. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, all right, this is a momentary aberration, but otherwise,
I know.
you know, you're doing
I know.
great. And why would you be tough on yourself?
I guess that's what I do.
Right, well, knock it off.
I will. You know, I'm gonna stop right now.
Yeah, good.
I'm gonna walk out of there really with confidence, and I'm gonna feel beautiful.
You are beautiful, girl. Mind the Cypher, everybody. We'll be right back. That's a nice dress, isn't it? Look at you with your shoulders.
You like this?
Yeah, your shoulders? Yeah, they're awesome. Do you ever wear shoulder pads? Like just shoulder pads?
I like to do the shoulder pads and heels and then nothing else as well. So it's
Oh, yeah? That's, it's all right, isn't it? That's actually called a snake cup. Shoulder pads and heels and nothing else.
That's what you call a snake cup.
No, I call a snake cup something different.
So do I.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Why on earth would you go when you were so sick?
Well, it was a part of a family vacation,
I
Christmas
see.
experience.
Mm-hmm.
So I couldn't ruin Christmas.
I have no problem doing that every year.
No.
I like to lose my temper and get hideously drunk in front of the kids.
Well,
No, of course not. I don't even drink anymore. I lose my temper, though.
over what?
Oh, stupid.
Like,
Just stupid crap. What about you? Do you lose your temper? You seem very even, sort of.
I'm mellow.
You're kind of gorgeous, actually. Yeah. You really don't. You don't have a temper. Don't applaud when I say that. It makes me look even creepier. You don't lose your temper? You're very kind of.
No, that's why, you know, movie business is fun. You can act out. Yeah. And then y'all cut, and then it was all pretend.
It'll be about some chick with a snake cup.
Yeah, but that's not the type of movie you want people to see.
Or is it?
I don't know. I find it very difficult to talk to you.
Is it the shoulder?
No, it's not the shoulder. Well, the shoulder's part of it.
What's the other part?
All the other parts.
Blushing a little bit.
No, you're not.
Blushing on the side.
No, you're not. No.
How do you know I'm not?
Because I know you, and you don't blush easy.
They're saying, you know, the whole idea is that, you know, we've got to streamline the show, make it a little more, you know, CBS, a little more broadcast friendly, and not so much in the way of sexual innuendo or, you know, cuss words and stuff. But I have to tell you, you look, what's that coming to go? Hot tonight. Baby, look, I can't. I'm sorry, I'm a passionate man. I cannot keep inside me what I know to be true. I look at you and I'm like, damn. That's what I'm a man, man. I'm a man. I might be a painted TV clown to you, sure. But inside these pants beats a thunderously impressive penis. I think she's having a great time with it, don't you?
But we did dance around in the garden like Alice in Wonderland and the Mad Hatter.
See that? That's
in between writing songs.
Really?
So it was quite fun.
You dance around in the garden?
Yeah, all the time.
I've
got a really cool garden. Why wouldn't I dance in it?
Do you garden? Do you have a compost heap?
I do garden, but not as regularly as I would like.
We're still talking about gardening.
Let's not go there this time.
That's my go-to place, Josh. I'm not going there, girl. I live there. I'm already here.
Okay,
this is my house. Welcome. This is my little place in Devon where I go a little mad.
This is a mad place. This is way more mad than my house.
Mad. You won't catch me writing any songs or ever.
Definitely not.
I don't have any teacup poodles. Here, let me ask you about food in the bedroom. What do you think about squirty? I got a letter from someone earlier on. I don't know.
What kind of food?
Squirty
food?
Yeah, you know, like cream and berries and such.
Berries? Who squirts berries?
Trained athletes.
Oh, right. Oh, really? Do they? Oh. Oh, my God.
No, they don't.
Here we go.
No.
No, like cream. Cream's okay.
Right, squirt.
But it's Valentine's Day, so you can squirt whatever you want.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
Cream, berries.
No.
Anything goes.
No.
Why not?
It wasn't me, it was her.
Why do I say these things?
It wasn't me, it was her.
Okay, moving on quickly.
All right, well, so you got a new album out there, is that right? Yeah, now, there's some lovely pictures of you here. I like this nose ring, by the way.
Thank you. You know, my best friend told me that I look like a bull. I know.
This isn't your best friend.
No, that's what friends are for.
Well, to tell you, you look like
you look like a bull.
You look like a beautiful, free-spirited hippie chick, but from the future, who's gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I've said too much.
Sweet.
I've said too much, haven't I?
No. Carry on.
No, I can't. You see, if I do, I get in all sorts of trouble.
Well,
we're out of time, Katie.
Really?
Yeah. What do you want? Mouth organ or awkward silence?
What?
Well, I don't have a band, so it's you know, when the guest, you know, we were out of time with the guest, and the band plays.
Yeah.
Well, I got a mouth organ, or we could
I want the harmonica because I can play the harmonica.
No, it's not a harmonica, Katie.
It's not? It's a mouth organ?
Yeah, it's a mouth organ, that's
give
right.
me a little number on the mouth organ.
Oh, I will.
Are you always this cheeky?
Yeah. Actually, not with Bob Saget.
Quick.
And of course, that's part of the charm of it, isn't the pain. Going for the pain, a little bit of it.
It is. I really enjoyed that you said that's the part of it that's the charm, too.
I mean, what? I mean,
I'm not judging you.
well, it's just, every time you put that in your mouth, I feel like, I don't know, like when you're staring at me, you look so peaceful, and like, you're making these kind of head nodding movements, and I don't know, I feel like you think that I'm a terrible person. Is that what you're thinking? What are you thinking?
No, that's not what I'm thinking. That's what you're thinking, Scarlett. Here's what I'm thinking. She's pretty. That's it. Oh, what's going on? We'll be right back with Scarlett Johansson, everybody.
I'm like...
Well, you should have seen it. We were so funny, and he
we were hilarious.
Yeah.
I touched his knee.
Oh, yeah. I liked when you did it again, though.
You did?
Yeah. I think I kind of have a thing for you a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
I'm okay with that.
Yeah, all right, yeah.
Mutual respect.
Yeah, that's what I have for you,
Right?
mutual respect.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah. I would love to respect you like crazy. What?
Oh my God.
All I'm saying is...
There goes my eye.
Just saying, I'd like to, I'd like to get a hold of you, pull your hair a little bit, and respect you. What? Isn't that okay? Come on.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay,
Not
well,
saying
fine.
anything.
That's fine. I think that's fine. Although it is a talk show, it's going to get awkward sooner or later.
What do you mean sooner or later?
Yeah, no, it does get pretty awkward.
Yeah, and it's, especially if you've got a small penis, then the car's the thing.
It's very important. If you're
Yeah.
an American with a tiny penis,
Well,
it's
that
important.
doesn't really happen. But of course, if it did happen.
Not here.
No,
Present
here.
company
No,
excluded.
of course, yes.
I don't have a penis, so it's not a problem for me.
What are you saying?
Meaning my car isn't...
No, I know what you're saying. I know. I'm sorry.
Why?
What's going on? What's going on with
Every
you?
time I come here, it devolves so fast, and we're talking about below the belt.
I think there's a sexual subtext with
I
you
know.
and I. I think that's what it is.
I know.
I think there's a little bit of sexual chemistry there, and we're both grown-ups, so we tell infantile jokes about it.
Yes, you're right.
That's what it is. Hey,
Maybe you should have an eye patch.
And a parrot. And a toilet.
Oh, you're doing it to me again. That would be great. He would probably call you up. Whoa. I swear to God, you do that one more time, I'll respect you right here.
I'm done. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. I'm thankful for you being here. That's what I am. Yeah.
I'm thankful for you and your kneecap.
I'm thankful for what you did there, yeah. I'm thankful for the way you came out with your little shorts.
My little roller
little
skate.
thing around there. And also the skating. All right, we're done. We're out of time.
All right.
It's like Jay Leno as a fly. I'll be back in 8 months. Can never get rid of him, can you?
Well,